Okay, so today's video is going to be on this Deluxe. We kind of solved the problem with the Sportster. We're just waiting on a gasket kit. It does start, it does run, but it's leaking fuel, out of the bowl here because of the gasket. So I ordered gaskets yesterday, and as soon as they're here, we'll fix that, and that problem will be solved. This Deluxe here, this is an 05 Deluxe, and this is having a hard time starting. I think it's getting fuel because it seemed like it fired yesterday, but the starter's going really slow. So I'm not sure if it's the starter. We did put a new battery in last year. I don't know why that's all marked up like that. And one of the posts, I forget which one, was kind of smashed down. So I had to replace the negative terminal. It could be that one of these connections is loose. I tightened them yesterday. They seem better, but I mean, they seem fine. Maybe I'll have to take this off and clean this, but let's try it again and see if we can get this thing started. So let's see what we can do with this. Pull the choke out. Where is it? There it is. See, this thing really wears the battery out fast, so I don't know if there's a loose connection or what the deal is with it, but it seems like it's getting spark, obviously. But I'm thinking that this is the same problem that we're going to have to pull the carburetor off. See, it also shouldn't go that. I mean, this is a brand new battery, and it's been on a charger for as long as I put it in there, so we'll let this charge up again, and we'll pull the air cleaner off and see if it's getting any fuel. Okay, so I pulled the air cleaner off. It is getting fuel. There's no problem with that. The battery is, at 12.5 volts. I disconnected the charger, so it could be that the starter's going in this thing. It could be pulling more amps than it's supposed to, and that's what's causing it to bog down. I'm going to reconnect all these, the positive and negative stuff on here, and check the connection on the starter and see what's going on that, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so what I did was I took the battery terminals out, cables off, wire brushed them to make sure they made good contact. I took this charger off that ties into the battery thing. I've got clamps that go on the terminals themselves I'm going to use. So it's almost impossible to get at the other end of the positive cable, which is on the starter, because you got to take the oil tank out, you got to take all this bullshit to get the starter out. So let's give it a try and see what's going on. Pull the choke out on this. Okay, so pretty good. So glad it wasn't a starter issue. It looks like it was just a issue on the contacts with the battery. So now we'll put the other type of charger on these terminals, ones that clamp on there rather than the ones that were there. We gotta let this thing, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do it because it's gonna be pouring out tomorrow and the next day. So I want to get this outside and get it idling. We changed the oil in it not too long ago, actually a year ago, so it's probably got to have the oil changed in it again. Waiting on the gasket for the Sportster. So I want to get these two running, so in case we want to go out and ride, we can ride. And then we're going to finish up on the Springer and get that ready to go later on. So everything's looking good for these two bikes anyway. I can't wait to get this one back out. We got to get this one washed. This is really dirty and filthy, and start working on the chrome. So, all right, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. I just wanted to do a quick video in case I had to take the starter out. It doesn't look like I'm going to have to. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.